I cannot lift this camera higher than it is. This is the delivery for my glasses. It's like this. I'm coming. Scissors I used to open it. Okay. It came with so many things. It came with a card and it says, "Best wishes. Your taste is impeccable. Yes, we judge you because you chose one of our finest frames. To thank you, take 5% off your next one on Lens and Co by Tiara.com using your Rock01. Can't wait to see your next choice." Okay, not bad. It came with a case, and then it's a bubble wrap paper, and then it came with this spray. What's this? It says Keliang. I think it's a Chinese spray for lens. It's all written in Chinese. I've asked them what I will use it for, but I think it's for the lens. Okay, let me open it. Guys, sorry if I'm too close to your eye. I'm tired. I'm sitting down. I cannot adjust it more than this. It came with a clean cloth. It's always clean my lens. That's how it looks. And then I'll just show something simple. Hopefully it fits me. Let me see. Hopefully it fits. Okay. Yeah. So this is a photochromic blue cut. That means it works with sun, and then because of screen time. Let me try it on. I think it's okay. That's it. This one, they like floater.
Give
This is the slightest shoe I've ever seen. What is this? Very light. Why are they doing like this now? So this thing, the set, what will be this screwdriver?
They say now success of
It's just an set. How many you see for the picture?
It's more than 10.
You read down there. I don't read this thing well. I ain't the problem. Of all the things that you buy, when I read them, I see I'm saying I'm waiting like this.
No.
Right. What's in this one?
No, that one is work. This is a floater now.
Three. That's my phone. Magnetic. X-weight.
Pursue chicken. Pursue reach that.
I have to put my son.
Okay. He's your first
6
time.
years old.
He's what?
6 years old.
Age 6 and 7. Okay, you are most welcome. But please, we need your details. Your name and
Blessing for the parents and for the womb. And what we do is Jesus is know. For example, drinking through access to divine secret. And once we discovered before that secret is still sleeping to date. God shall be referring to us in this condition, the hidden riches or the secret places, all through the month of May. I can't hear your amen. There shall be. Congratulations, amen and amen. This is how to shake your neighbor and tell them, welcome to your season of financial fortune. God bless you.
Okay.
Put it on the floor there first. What's peg?
These are pegs. The one with the pegs are not bad.
See, put it that first way you put that one. That's covered that side.
Like this, I mean. So I feel this. Where is the thing?
My husband used this white putty to block all those holes that were there before at that corner. They block the holes. Looks better now. If I get more stuffs, I just may get another rack, but I'm not so sure. 1 second.